Guys, today we're in Chattanooga and we're going to eat at a restaurant called Tupelo Honey. It's a southern restaurant. We're going to take you guys with us and show you what we got. Tupelo Honey is a revival of southern food and traditions rooted in the Carolina mountains.
What's your favorites?
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken, yours? Okay,
Sure.
I know what to pick out. Thank
Can
you.
we go anywhere special or?
Anywhere with a
Okay.
There we go.
There's a menu on the table.
There's our tour bus.
We were on a bus tour with Jefferson Tours, and because we were a large group, we had a limited menu to choose from. But we loved the glassware, bless your heart, and mind your beeswax. We had a choice of 5 different entrees that we could choose from, but they started all of us off with their family-style appetizers, which was fried green tomatoes. They were panko crusted and served over goat cheese grits and red pepper coulis. So delicious. Their buttermilk drop biscuits were baked fresh and served with whipped butter and blueberry or peach jam. We all received a house salad as well. Keith ordered the bourbon peppercorn glazed meatloaf, which looked and tasted, he said, like a giant meatball. It was served with mac and cheese and the rosemary parmesan crispy potatoes. I got the fried chicken and it did not disappoint. It was served with braised bacon collards and also the Parmesan crispy potatoes, which were delicious. The mac and cheese was just as delicious as it looked, and a person at our table got the flat iron steak. They were gracious enough to let us film their plate before they began eating. And for our dessert, we got brown butter pecan pie. It was a mini dessert. It was only like 2 bites. We could have eaten much more than that, but it was delicious. Tupelo Honey is a southern farm-to-table restaurant that is known for their southern hospitality. They've been in business over 20 years and have over 20 locations scattered throughout the U.S. If you would like to see more of our videos, click the video that just popped up on your screen